Kids Zone with Trishy. Boo! Halloween is here. I get to pick out a pumpkin. Too small. Too big. Just right. We make a jack-o'-lantern. Daddy cuts off the top. I clean the inside. All clean. How should we carve our jack-o'-lantern? Angry? Happy? Silly? Kitty? Scared? Toothy? Sleepy? Oh. Surprised? Perfect! Mommy helps me choose a costume. What should I be? Princess? Pirate? Cowboy? Clown? Monkey? Vampire? Ballerina? Cat? Meow. Boo! I'm a ghost. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's only me. Daddy? Boo! Time to trick or treat. It's dark and scary. Ding dong. Trick or treat. Candy? Yay! Ding dong. Trick or treat. Thank you. Wow! I love Halloween. Caramel apple, butterscotch, black cat, skeleton, licorice, witch's hat, candy corn, bat, lollipop, spider. The end.